The open kitchen seamlessly blends with living area. A newly added loft brings character, complemented by soft close shutters and matching laminate. The handleless design achieved by using push open magnet for convenience. For the crockery unit, we installed glass shelves. Rose gold shutter with brass glass for classy look, and we added space for grinders with granite top for easy maintenance. In the master bedroom, we made a loft where there was only a wardrobe before. Next to it, we added dressing unit. According to Vastu, we should not see our reflection in the mirror while sleeping. So, we created two shutters, one to cover the mirror, another to hold it. Behind the mirror, we placed shelf for makeup items and hanger. For more videos on end-to-end old home renovation, house structural renovation and interior design, please subscribe our channel Coucal Interior Bangalore. Thank you.